Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin hitting $1. Terra Classic Coin burning 5.8 trillion coins. Yes, this coin, the plan for Terra Classic is to stop burning when this coin remains 10 billion coins. Now, the 1.2% tax ban was introduced in order to help burn out Terra Classic coins. Terra Classic have about 5.9 trillion coins, and since then, about over 1 trillion coins has been staked. Now, the plan for Terra Classic developers with the 1.2% tax ban, and this tax ban is going to stop one day. It's not forever, it's not going to continue, but the plan is for the Terra Classic to burn. Then once Terra Classic coin is remaining 10 billion coins, then the 1.2% tax ban will be stopped. But I think even though Terra Classic just have 100 billion coins, this is still good for Terra Classic. That means we need to burn 5.8 trillion coins. I'm not surprised to see Terra Classic start trading at $1. Now, for this coin to hit 1 cent, you just need to delete 2 zeros, right? And of course, when we get 1 cent, the journey have already started. Terra Classic to $1 is going to get more possible. Now, so many experts believe the possibility of Terra Classic to burn 5.8 trillion coin is more possible if they can calculate the remaining supply. If they can start with the remaining supply instead of hoping only on the 1.2% tax ban and another exchange that be burning, Terra Classic can start by burning the remaining supply they have, which is going to burn billions of Terra Classic instantly. And I think that it is possible. Imagine removing 5.8 trillion Terra Classic coin from the supply they have. 5.9 trillion will be left with about 100 billion. We'll be left with about 100 billion coins of Terra Classic LUNC. And of course, though the target, according to the Terra Classic developer, the target is for this coin 10 billion. But to me, even they have 100 billion, it is going to help to push this coin to $1. Terra Classic destroying 1 trillion or 2 trillion, you might be seeing Terra Classic start trading at 1 cent. And we are hoping to see this coin continue to rise, continue to burn. And one day, yes, Terra Classic can burn out 5.8 trillion coins of Terra Classic. Once again, please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.